Hi there. How to spell the sound air? Air. Like bear, the big animal. Or there. Okay. Or hair. Or wear. You wear clothes. Okay. So let's listen to it. Air. We can spell this A-I-R. For example, the air that we breathe. Air. Or hair, yeah? Or fair, that's just fair, F-A-I-R. A chair to sit on. Or even a fairy, yeah? A little creature with wings. We can spell air, E-R-E. Not here, there, T-H-E-R-E. Where? Okay, where? Again, E-R-E. Or the wolfman is known as a werewolf. Okay, werewolf. We can spell this sound E-I-R. Okay, for example, their house. Okay, the possessive pronoun, T-H-E-I-R. Yes, their house is here. Okay, or heir. An heir is a person who inherits, is the inheritor. Somebody dies and their things go to their heir, H-E-I-R. Notice the silent H. We can spell heir, E-A-R. For example, a bear, the animal, a bear. Or I am wearing a jacket, to wear. Or a pear, to eat. Delicious. Or you have a piece of paper and you can tear the piece of paper. Okay, that's E-A-R. We can spell air, A-R-E. To care for, to look after. Okay, to share. Half for me, half for you. We can share. That's very rare. That's rare, unusual. Do you dare do it? To dare, to be brave enough. Or even bare, naked, no clothes. Another one, the last one. A-R, usually followed by I or Y. So, for example, the name, Mary. Okay, Mary, M-A-R-Y. Not marry, Mary. Okay, to vary, as in variation. Okay, this is vary, various. We could have the word as well, wary, W-A-R-Y, is when you're not quite sure, you're still suspicious, you're wary. So there you go, air, A-I-R, hair, E-R-E, there, E-I-R, their house, E-A-R, a pear, to eat, A-R-E, to care for, to look after, and A-R-Y, Mary. So, I hope you enjoyed it. See you in another video.